Hello, today we're at Tattershall Castle.
Yes, it's a beautiful brick-built castle in Lincolnshire.
Tattershall Castle is located in Lincolnshire and is one of the earliest and most impressive brick structures of late medieval England.
Originally a stone castle built in the 13th century, it was rebuilt for Ralph Cromwell, Lord Treasurer of England, between 1434 and 1447.
It took over 1 million bricks, a rare material at the time, and at the cutting edge of fashion, the castle demonstrated its wealth and standing.
The castle is strategically positioned to overlook the surrounding countryside, with impressive thick walls, battlements and a moat.
During the English Civil War, the castle was occupied by both Royalist and Parliamentarian forces at different times.
After the war, the castle fell into disrepair and was eventually abandoned, and by the 19th century it was in a state of decay.
It was put up for sale in 1910 and threatened with demolition. The ornate gothic fireplaces were sold to an American buyer who had them ripped out and packed up for transport to America.
Fortunately, the castle was saved by Lord Curzon of Kedleston Hall, who hunted down the fireplaces to London, packaged, ready to be shipped to America.
He set about restoring the brick tower and reinstated the Gothic fireplaces.
After his death in 1925, the castle was left to the National Trust and is today open to the public.
The Great Tower is impressive and rises over 33 metres high, with 6 stories to explore, including the Great Hall, the basement and the audience room.
The castle also offers amazing panoramic views of the surrounding countryside from its rooftop, where you can see the Boston Stump 11 miles to the south and Lincoln Cathedral 15 miles to the north.